Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. In this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to improve your skills on coding, to give you a hands-on experience on coding. So this is weekend 24 and let's get started with the video. So in this, we'll be seeing three projects and this is the first project, part 1. Each project is divided into two parts and this is the part 1 of the first project. So let's see the QR code generator. So in this particular project, we'll be creating the HTML structure and then in the next part, we'll be adding the logic and API behind that. So what we have to do is basically the user enters any URL or any text and then what we have to do is we have to create a QR code and when you scan that QR code you get that text back or you get that URL. So this is for the user's convenience. Let's see what we have to do in index.html in this particular HTML code. So we have a container, we have a class container and we prompt the user telling enter the text or URL. And for that placeholder would be text or URL. So we ask the user to enter the text or URL. Now, after that, we have one div ID saying image box and one more is QR image. So here, QR image shows the QR code of the image and image box is used for that is a division to show that QR code. So now after that, we have a button which works on click saying generate QR is the function. So that generate QR code is called, which is in the script of JS, which will be seen in the next video. That is the logic behind that. And then that button would say generate QR code. So let me run the program and show it to you. So you can see this is a simple HTML page. It just says enter your text or URL and in the this thing placeholder it says text or URL. So I can enter any text. I can enter hi, welcome to CodeChef. This doesn't work because we don't have the QR code logic yet. So in the next part we'll be seeing how to add that logic. So let me submit the program. So test cases have passed and I'll see you in the next video.